Today we are going to the exercise number 13.2. First question is here. Find the number of lines of symmetry each of the following shapes. So first shapes they have given square shape. We want to find the how many lines have symmetry. Square have 4 lines symmetry. First vertical 1 line. Then horizontal 2 line, then cross sliding. This is the fourth number line. So first step have how many lines symmetry? 4 line. Then next step also same step. Here also 4 line symmetry. Then third also same square step. Here also 4 line symmetry. Then fourth number from the picture is there. So here only one line symmetry like standing line. Yes. Then A number shape, hexagon shape, regular hexagon means all 6 sides are equal. So how many lines they are symmetrical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is 6 line symmetry. Then 8 number shape also there is inside the circle hexagon shape is there. So there also 6 line symmetry. Now where G number shape is given different. We want to find the how many lines is symmetry. These both parts are not same. These both parts are not equal. That's why here zero line symmetry means no line symmetry. Then another swastika picture they are given. So there all parts are different. That's why there also no line symmetry. And last shape flower given. Yes, 5 parts are same there. So there is 5 line symmetry. Now see the question number second. Copy the triangle in which of the following figure of square paper. In which case draw the lines of symmetry if any and identify the types of triangle. Yes. So here they have given triangle pictures and we want find the which types of triangle and how the line is symmetrical here. So now see first triangle. They have given question number second. First triangle, this triangle. So here only one line symmetry, vertical, and this triangle name is isoscale. Isoscale triangle. Now see the next triangle, different way they have given. Yes, same triangle given. Here also standing line symmetry and this triangle name is also isoscale triangle. Then C number, different way they have given. You can draw properly. This is also isoscale triangle. Yes, two sides are equal. So here also one line symmetry. And last number, same way they have given. This is also isoscale triangle. Now see the question number third. Complete the following table. Now, third number question. Complete the following table. Here they have made 3 columns, shapes, then rough figure, lines of symmetry. Total lines of symmetry. Now see first shapes. Equilateral triangle given. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? All three sides are same. All three sides are equal. So how many lines are symmetry? 1, 2 and 3. So total lines have 3 lines have symmetry. This is first set. Then second given square. You know that square have how many lines symmetry? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can write here 4 lines symmetry. Then rectangle. Rectangle set have. Yesterday you have seen one activity, standing and sitting. Here only 2 lines have symmetry. Then isosceles triangle they have given. So you know that isosceles triangle have only one line. Isosceles triangle. How many lines symmetry? Only one line have symmetry. Then Rambo's 4th number set, 5 number set. Rambo's have only 2 lines symmetry, 1 and 2. And last number set is circle. Yes, so circle have countless lines symmetry. You can draw the many lines in that set. So your answer is coming countless. Infinite line have symmetry. Now see question number 4. Question number 4. Can you draw the triangle? We want you to draw the triangles exactly one line of symmetry. Means we want here to draw the first number answer only one line of symmetry. So which triangle is coming? We know that one line symmetry, isosceles triangle. Yes, we have seen many examples. Isosceles triangle have only one line symmetry. You can write it in isosceles triangle. So this is the answer, of course. The B number they have given exactly 2 line of symmetry. No any one triangle they have 2 line symmetry. So where answer coming? No. No any triangle have 2 line symmetry. Exactly 3 line symmetry. So we know that 3 line symmetry which triangle is equilateral triangle. All 3 sides are same. 1 line, 2 line and 3 line. Yes, what is the name? Equilateral triangle. And last number, no line of symmetry. So where scaling triangle is same. No line symmetry. All 3 sides are different. Yes, all 3 sides are different. Scaling triangle. Scaling triangle don't have any line symmetry. Yes, scaling. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. 5. On a square figure, scale the following. Yes, we want here scale the following shapes. Question number A, they have given a triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. Means only horizontal line is symmetry of this given triangle, but not vertical, means not standing line symmetry. So like this you want to draw the triangle. So you can draw isosceles triangle where only horizontal line symmetry. Is it possible to drawing a vertical line symmetry? No. So which types of figure can be there? This way. Isosceles triangle, horizontal line symmetry. Then B number, a correlator with both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Correlator means four side shapes. You can draw rectangle. Yes, here both way. Vertical also and horizontal also line symmetry. Yes. Then C number shape. A correlator with horizontal lines of symmetry but no vertical line have a symmetry. So one correlator you can draw like this way. There is only one line, horizontal symmetry but not vertical symmetry. So this shapes we want draw. Yes, any you can draw. Here, small shapes. Okay. Now this part and this part is same, so here only possible one line symmetry horizontally. If you are drawing this vertically, so both parts are different. So that's why only one line symmetry which is horizontal. In question number D, a hexagon with exactly two lines of symmetry. Means you can draw hexagon 6 sides figure. Only two lines symmetry, one vertically and one horizontally. Means here all 6 sides are coming different. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here now possible to draw the only two lines symmetry. This is vertical line symmetry and this is horizontal line symmetry. And next the hexagon with 6 line of symmetry. So 6 line symmetry we want hexagon draw. All 6 sides are same there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like this we can draw the hexagon 6 sides of symmetry. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is trace figure, draw the line of symmetry. So where they have given figure and we want draw the line of symmetry. So first shapes they have given this way. Here is it here any line symmetry? No, because all sides are different. So your answer no line symmetry. Then second number shape they have given. So here how many lines symmetry? 1 and 2 line symmetry. Then C number shapes given. here 1 and 2 line symmetry, B number 2 line symmetry, C number 1, 2, 3, 4 line symmetry. You can see already this question is over. See the figure and draw the only symmetrical line, vertical, horizontal or sliding. Any way you can complete it. Now see the question number 7. Question number 7. Consider the letters English alphabets. First capital letters A to Z. List among them letters which have. Question number A. Vertical line of symmetry. Only standing vertical line. First letter which is coming A. A have vertical line symmetry. Yes. B no. C not. D not. A, B, C, D, E not, F not, G not, H, I, J not, K not, L not, M also vertical line symmetry, N not, yes, then O coming, then T coming, yes, T, U is also vertical line symmetry, yes, V, W and X, yes, Y is also vertical line symmetry. Okay, so these letters are only vertical line symmetry. Yes, vertical means what? This way. Vertical line symmetry and Y. Now see question number B. Horizontal line of symmetry. So remaining letter B. B have horizontal line symmetry. C, D, yes, B, C, D, E is also H, I, J not, K not, yes, J, capital K, yes, O and X. These letters have a horizontal line symmetry and no line of symmetry. So remaining letters which is remain F, G, yes, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and J. These are no line symmetry. Now see question number 8. Given here the figure of few folded sheets and designed about the food, in which case draw the rough diagram of complete the figure that would be seen when design is cut off. So here one parts they have given and we want to make it symmetrical parts. This part they have given. Okay. So how to improve figure? This part is going there, here this coming, here this coming, and so now it is make the complete diagram. And another one set they have given. This line is symmetrical line. Yes. So how to look at it? We want find out this half parts they have given. If you fold it, so how to look in? Cut it How to looking? This way. So here you get the second figure. This is the answer of question number 8. Exercise 13.2 is finished here. Thank you.